Hello everyone. Texas is the heartland of barbecue and sausages, and Elgin is the sausage capital of Texas. I'm so excited to share with you this legendary sausage and barbecue joint in Elgin. This is the oldest legendary barbecue joint in Texas that started back in 1882 with 140 years in its industry and growing from strength to strength. This operation has expanded to 4 locations and has their own catering vans to serve events and gatherings. This is indeed a stellar achievement. My name is Sue, who loves to share recipe and brings you on wonderful foodie adventures. My mission is to find delicious food, to share the wonderful recipes of this world, and keep it for the future generation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can always find good food and learn to sauce well and cook better. Today, my video shares a renowned barbecue joint in Elgin, the Southside Market and Barbecue Joint. This place has been operating since 1892, and the business started even earlier, back in 1882. This is my first time stopping at this place, and oh boy, am I glad I did. This place is so exciting and truly amazing for the foodie. You will be drooling for one of the best barbecue southern food. With its big, huge kitchen and delicious, sumptuous food, customers were already forming a line for breakfast. There are so many choices for meat, sandwiches, and sides. The meat from beef brisket, pork chops, chicken, sausages are all freshly made in the store, and they are fresh, seasoned and unseasoned version, as well as the smoked, ready-to-eat food. I would have to stop another time to try the food here. 2 big dining halls that can seat over 300 people. I took the clips from introductory videos made by Southside Marketplace and Barbecue themselves to show a lot of the information and to show the back information of going into the pit and showing how the food was smoked. This is so informative. The barbecue joint in Elgin used to house a bank and has been converted into dining halls. Take a look and we can learn something from this very successful business establishment. This business started with humble beginnings of selling their meat on a wagon, and now it has expanded into such a strong presence with 4 locations, many catering vans, and also selling their food and merchandise online. This is so amazing. From the business standpoint of view, from food standpoint of view, there's so much that we can learn. It takes a lot of effort and a lot of success to be able to withstand a business for 140 years. We have a lot.
So it's early on a Monday morning. We're just getting started for the week. This is our main dining room, which was actually the bank lobby when it was a bank at one point in time. You can still see the deposit safe over there. Of course, we've got Texas flag and pictures from our history here in this dining room. Between the 2 dining rooms, we'll seat about 300, and we're counter service. And so when you come in, you walk straight into the dining room, you'll pass by ice cream counter. We serve Bluebell. Enter up to the barbecue line. So we've got 2 entrances to our counter service and barbecue line. We use one all week long. The other one we use when we get busy. We're busiest Friday, Saturday, Sunday. As you're coming in, you just queue up, order your barbecue, and move on down the line. We cut it fresh for you right in front of you. You can order it by the pound, you can order it by the plate, by the sandwich, or you can tell us I want $3 or I want this much. And so we custom cut and custom make every single order that we produce. So after you get your barbecue from our service line, you'll come over here to kind of our condiment area. First thing you've got, we serve crackers, Lance crackers with our barbecue. Just a throwback to being an old butcher shop. Back in the old days, crackers always went good with sausage. And we got our history out of, or we got our start serving fresh meat out of the back of a wagon, door to door. And so this is kind of pays homage to that. We throw the crackers in the back of the wagon now. We've got our condiment station and then drink station behind you. And then this here is our bigger dining room here at the Elgin store. It's actually was the drive-through for the old bank. So all the pillars were the lanes. We still have the bank signs up on the inside the walls. And then over here in the corner, we've got the night deposit drop. And so this is our pit room here at the Elgin store. We've got some sausage slammers and some jalapeno cheddar sausage coming off the pit right now. Looking pretty good. This is what we call our flat pit. And so we're using all post oak wood fires, old style, like the old style brick pits. Ours is steel lined, and this pit was built for this location in 1992. Fire boxes, nothing fancy. We're just throwing coke on the fire. Looks like we might need one right now. Our original beef Elgin sausage. This is why we're on the map. This is what's kind of kept us going for the last 140 years. Monday special is pork chops. Cook a thick cut of pork chops. So David here is cooking about to throw the pork chops on the pit for us. So he's going to season those up and get going there. Lamb ribs on the pit. We like to cook those closer to the fire. Those look like they're about to be ready. And then behind us on our oiler barbecue pit, we've got, look at there, some baby back ribs. We've got some chicken halves. So we've got a good fire in there. We're cooking at about 250 degrees on those meats. On our sausage and stuff, we're cooking about 300. We got another oiler out here where we're cooking briskets. We cook these overnight. So these are the briskets that we'll serve today in the restaurant. We've got a few still on the pit. These went on the pit last night about 7 or 8 o'clock, so they've been going for about 13, 14 hours at this point. And we're cooking them at 200 to 210. And then we're pulling them off 195 to 200. Smoke some of them ourselves. And so we'll get the spices in, we'll smoke them on our pits, and we'll send them off to be bottled. And so this is some oak smoked garlic pepper salt, and we have different combinations of that as well. It's a really good spice. So here in our fresh meat butcher counter, we've got, of course, what we're known for is our fresh Elgin sausage. This is the stuff that we make here in our plant. We'll go look at that in a few minutes. And we cook that fresh daily, but we also sell it fresh in the butcher shop, so you can come and get it and take it home for you. We have other fresh meats, briskets, steaks, subprimals. We've got baby back ribs, pork ribs. You can get them fresh, you can get them seasoned. Chicken halves, again, fresh or seasoned. And then all of our smoked meats. We've got our smoked sausages. We got 6 different flavors of smoked sausage that we make here. We sell in our butcher shop. Also, your local grocery store may have them as well. And then we take all of our barbecue items on our menu and we smoke those and we package them. So basically, when you come to our butcher shop, you can get it fresh and take it home and do it yourself. You can get it seasoned, take it home and do it yourself, or you can get it fully cooked, take it home, and basically heat it up and serve it to your guests. All right, so now we're going to go back in our. Right here was built by Henry Jansky out of Taylor in February of '92 by Taylor Iron Works. And so when my grandfather moved the business from downtown Elgin out to the highway, this pit was built. We set it in place, and then we built the building around this part of the building around it. And so These bricks, tile bricks, come from Butler Brick here in Elgin, Texas as well. So Elgin's not only the sausage capital of Texas, but we're also the brick capital of the Southwest. You may not know that. 40 years of Southside, so it goes back to my dad and grandfather, our 100-year anniversary, and on down through the years. And so when you come in the Elgin store, make sure you stop by and take a look at that. Also, other stores have history walls as well.
And also selling their food and merchandise online. This is so amazing. You know, from the business standpoint of view, from food standpoint of view, there's so much that we can learn. It takes a lot of effort and a lot of success to be able to withstand a business for 140 years. We have a lot to learn from this business. My favorite part of the barbecue joint is the marketplace. You can enjoy food in the dining hall and still able to source delicious beef brisket, smoked chicken, sausages, and brisket, the delicious food to serve at home. I'm thinking of getting more of the delicious meat for Thanksgiving dinner. I see they also serve some turkey. This time we bought the jalapeno cheddar sausages. It was finger-smacking delicious. I will be coming back for more. The fresh market sells quality beef, cuts of beef, pork, poultry, and their famous sausages. They are also fresh daily, and you can get some smoked meat as well. If you have a chance to drive by one of the shops, don't forget to stop and get some sausages and smoked meat. Did I mention? You can also drive through, and they have a drive-through counter so you can just drive through and grab your favorite food. If you have found this helpful and found this informative, do like and share so that friends and families can find this barbecue joint and grab some delicious and high-quality meat. If you haven't already, do hit the subscribe button, comment below where you can be tuning in, and I'm always good to know. Thank you for watching and see you again. For now, guys, ciao and take care. Bye.